Now, today's question comes from an Airbnb cleaner who cleans vacation rentals and Airbnbs, and she asked this question.
Hello, Angela. I clean for a few vacation rentals independently. One of them sleeps over 14 people. I recently found out that they charge a hefty cleaning fee of around $300, but I am only being paid $150, even on the same day turnovers. Is that legal? If not, what can I do about it?
So, can you keep all of the cleaning fee? The answer is it depends. It depends on what does the cleaning fee pay for. So I would recommend that you sit down with the host and you say, hey, wait a second, I'm aware that you're charging $300 for the cleaning fee and I'm only getting half of that. And so I'm curious to know, can I have all of it or is it being used for other things? And the reason I say used for other things is because lots of Airbnb or vacation rental owners are expected to also do the laundry as part of the cleaning that they are contracted to do. Now, it is possible that they have not contracted you to do the laundry, for example, which are all of the linens and the towels and the kitchen towels and all of that stuff. It's possible that they're hiring a linen service. And so as part of the money that they're collecting from the guests, they're paying the linen service to deliver new linens, so that's not part of your job. It might also include the restocking fees. So if they offer like free coffees or they offer bathroom supplies, Q-tips, cotton swabs, makeup remover pads, that kind of stuff that is often inside the bathrooms at the Airbnbs to protect the linens so that the towels don't get all, gunky. It's possible that part of that pays for the restocking supplies that are being used for toilet paper and paper towels and that kind of stuff that's left inside the home. So I would definitely have a conversation with the host and say, hey, wait a second, I would love to have all the money. How do I get that? And they might say, well, then you provide this restocking supplies and you provide the cleaning of the laundry and all that stuff. And you have to decide, is that worth your time? Because one of the things that we find is that when Airbnb hosts have this conversation with the house cleaners often realize, wait a second, I'm at the home for 5 hours while I'm doing all the laundry. And when they start tallying up their time, it's not worth the extra money that they're making. It makes far more sense to split the fee and then outsource the laundry and the linens to a laundry service. And so once you start factoring in what exactly is involved and how much that costs, there are a lot of house cleaners that have backed off and said, wait a second, I'm willing to settle for the price that I have because I can still make a profit without losing a lot of time and energy doing this other stuff that they're outsourcing. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Clear communication between the house cleaner and the host is always paramount because at any step of the way, things can malfunction. And if a house cleaner is a partner and working with the host, and there's a great line of communication going there, the host is going to want to pay the house cleaner more. They're going to want to give them more responsibilities. And if anything malfunctions and the host can't make it, they're going to want the house cleaner to step in and back them up. And that's happened on so many occasions where at the last minute, something happens and, the family needs an extra set of linens and the house cleaner is nearby. I can provide you and bring you another set of linens or whatever it is. Or I can let you into the locked linen closet. There are a variety of things that happen where the house cleaners often jump in and it's worth the extra money. And so I would have a conversation with the host just to make sure that you're both on the same page and that you guys are as tight as can be when it comes to running the business, because both of you are running the business together and both of you are depending on the ratings and reviews from the guests. And so it's in both of your best interests to work together and to make sure that you have an agreement where somebody doesn't feel like they're being cheated and they're getting half the money that's coming in. So have a conversation with the host and find out what the other money is going to, because chances are they're not trying to cheat you out of anything and they're not trying to make money off of the cleaning fee.